Good afternoon, students. Today also we will discuss the questions from application of derivatives. Okay. So up to question number. Yesterday we complete up to question number 23. So from today we will discuss from question number 24. So yesterday we complete up to question number 22. So today we will discuss from question number 23. The maximum area of a rectangle that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 2 units is. Actually, this question is repeated. Yesterday already we discussed this question. So the maximum area of a rectangle that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 2 units is equal to, the formula is 2r square. So here they given that r is equal to 2. So here they given that r is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 square. So 2 into 4. We get answer 8. So the answer is 8 square units. Option 4. So next question number 24. 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 If the length of subtangent at any point on the curve x into y power n equal to a is proportional to the abscissa, then n is. So here the concept is subtangent. This concept is deleted in your syllabus. So we will go to next question. The tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 1 at 1 comma 2 makes an angle theta with y axis. Then the value of tan theta is. So the tangent to the curve. The tangent to the curve, they given that y is equal to x cube plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to 3x square. Dy by dx equal to 3x square. So dy by dx at the point 1 comma 2. Dy by dx at the point 1 comma 2, we get the 3 into 1 square, which is equal to 3. Okay. So they given that makes an angle theta with the x-axis, then the value of tan theta they ask. So from y-axis it is theta, from x-axis it is 90 minus theta. From x-axis it is 90 minus theta. Okay. So this one is 1 comma 2. From x-axis it is 90 minus theta. So tan of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta equal to 3. So tan of 90 minus theta means minus cot theta. So minus cot theta is equal to 3, which implies cot theta equal to minus 3. Then tan theta equal to minus 1 by 3 we get. So tan theta equal to minus 1 by 3. So answer is first option. Okay. Next question. Question number 26. Question number 26. Question number 26. The local minimum value of the function f given by f of x equal to 3 plus mod x, where x belongs to R is. So option 1 minus 1, option 2 3, option 3 1, option 4 0. So here they ask a local minimum value of the given function f of x equal to 3 plus mod x. So f of x equal to 3 plus mod x they given, f dash of x we have to find. For this, first we have to take x mod x as plus x. So we take mod x as plus x because mod x is equal to plus or minus x. So for this we have to take f of x equal to 3 plus x. If we take 3 plus x, the derivative is 1. So f dash of x is greater than 0. So for minimum, we have to take mod x equal to minus x. So f of x equal to 3 minus x. Then we get f dash of x is equal to minus 1. This is less than 0. So next, here x is equal to 0 is the critical point. Here x is equal to 0 is the critical point. So x is equal to 0 is the critical point. So that's why we have to substitute 0 in f of x. So f of 0 is equal to 3 we get. So the answer is 3, second option. Okay, that is the local minimum value of the function f of x equal to 3 plus mod x. So next, question number 27. Question number 27. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at a speed of 5 centimeter per second. At that instant, when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast is the enclosed area increasing? So they ask dA by dt. So they ask dA by dt. So they given that dr by dt equal to 5 centimeter per second. dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeter second. So, and also they given that the radius of the circular wave r is equal to 8 centimeter. R is equal to 8 centimeter. So we have to find dA by dt. So dA by dt is what? Okay. For this, we have to use the formula A equal to area of circle formula pi r square. If we differentiate with it with respect to t, we get dA by dt is equal to pi into derivative of r square is 2r. Again, derivative of r with respect to t is dr by dt, chain rule. Okay, substitute r is equal to 8 and dr by dt is equal to 5. So r is equal to 8, dr by dt is equal to 5. 5 into 2 into the value of r is 8 and the value of dr by dt is 5. So 8 5 is a 40, 42 is a 80. So the answer is 80 pi. So the answer is 80 pi centimeter square. For area, we get centimeter square. For time, we get second. So the answer is 80 pi centimeter square per second. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. So next, we will go for question number 28. If x equal to ct and y equal to c by t, find dy by dx at t is equal to 2. So they given that if x equal to ct and y is equal to c by t, we have to find the value of dy by dx at t by 2. This is parametric function question. They given that x is equal to ct, differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t, we get dx by dt is equal to dx by dt is equal to c we get, because the derivative of t with respect to t is 1. Next, they given that y is equal to c by t. Here also we differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t, dy by dt equal to so c constant, keep it as it is. The derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. So which is equal to minus c by t square. Next, we have to find dy by dx. For dy by dx, we have to take dy by dt in the numerator, dx by dt in the denominator. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt equal to, so what is dy by dt? We get minus c by t square. So dx by dt is c. Dx by dt is c. Here c get cancelled. We get minus 1 by t square. So if we substitute t is equal to, we substitute t is equal to 2, dy by dx at t equal to 2 is equal to minus 1 by t square. Nothing but 2 square. So minus 1 by 2 square means we get the answer minus 1 by 4. The correct answer is option 4. That is minus 1 by 4. Okay. So next, question number 29. Question number 29. A balloon which always remains spherical being inflated by pumping in 10 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing when the radius is 15 centimeter. So here we have to find the value of dr by dt, rate of change of radius with respect to time. Okay. So what they given? dV by dt they given. That is 10 cubic centimeters per of gas per second. And also they given the value of r, that is radius, 15 centimeter. So here we have to find the value of dr by dt, rate of change of radius with respect to time. Okay. So first we have to take dV by dt is equal to dV by dt is equal to 10 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Okay. So next they given that R is equal to 15 centimeter. What we have to find? dr by dt. So we have to find dr by dt. For this, we have to use the formula V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is volume of sphere formula. Volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So differentiate with respect to t, we get dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi constant. The derivative of r cube is 3r square. Again, the derivative of r with respect to t is dr by dt. So 3 get cancelled here. So they given that the value of dV by dt is 10, so which is equal to 4 pi. The value of r is 15. Here r square is there. 15 square into dr by dt. So 15 square into dr by dt. So 15 square is 225. 225 into 4 is 900. So okay. So then we get 10 is equal to 900 pi into dr by dt. So here you want dr by dt. So that's why dr by dt equal to 10 divided by 900 pi. Okay. So here 10 ones are 10 90s are 900 get cancelled. So finally we get dr by dt equal to 1 by 90 pi per radius centimeter. For time, we get the second. So the answer is dr by dt is equal to 1 by 90 pi centimeter per second. Option 3 is the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 30. Question number 30. Question number 30. The two curves x cube minus 3x square plus 3xy square plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x square minus y cube equal to 2 is cut at right angle, cut at an angle of pi by 4, touch each other, cut an angle pi by 3. So for this, we have to differentiate the given curves. That is x cube minus 3x square plus 2 equal to 0. X cube plus, sorry, x cube minus x cube minus 3xy square plus 2 equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. We get 3x square minus 3 into. So here we have to use the product rule. First function into derivative of second function, that is 2y into dy by dx, plus second function into derivative of first function, that is x derivative is 1. Okay. So derivative of 2, it is a constant 0. So which is equal to 0. So convert it into dy by dx. So we get 3x square minus 6xy into dy by dx minus 3y square equal to 0. So if we convert it into dy by dx, so dy by dx equal to, we get 3y square minus 3x square divided by minus 6xy. So call it as m1. dy by dx is nothing but slope. So call it as m1. So again we have to take the curve 3x square y minus y cube equal to 2. Differentiate with respect to x. We get 3 into x square. Derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of y cube is 3y square equal to 0. So here derivative of y again. So derivative of y, 3y cube is 3y square. Again derivative of y is dy by dx equal to 0. So 3x square into dy by dx plus 3 into 2, 6xy minus 3y square equal to 0. So 3y square into dy by dx equal to 0. 3y square into dy by dx equal to 0. We convert it into dy by dx, dy by dx equal to, so 3y square minus 3x square divided by 6xy. Sorry. So here dy by dx is, here dy by dx is what? 6 minus 6xy divided by 3x square minus 3y square. Call it as m2. Okay. So plus 6y ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 6y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6xy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So divided by 3x square minus 3y square. If you multiply m1 and m2, m1 into m2, so if you multiply m1 and m2, we get minus 1. So we know that in straight lines, product of slopes is equal to minus 1, then they are perpendicular to each other. So that's why perpendicular means the answer is at right angle. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So next, we'll go for question number 31. Question number 31. If x is real, then the minimum value of x square minus 8x plus 17 is. For maxima or minima, we have to find the derivative of the function x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0 plus 17 equal to 0. Okay, for maxima or minima, we have to find the derivative of the function f of x equal to, they given that x square minus 8x plus 17. Okay. So we have to find the minimum value of the function. First, we have to find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 2x minus 8. For maxima or minima, we have to equate f dash of x to 0. Okay. So here 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x equal to 8 we get. So x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 is the given critical point. Okay. So next we have to find f double dash of x. So f double dash of x is equal to 2. So second derivative is greater than 0, then it is a minimum. So next we have to find the minimum value. For minimum value, we have to substitute the value of x in the given function f of 4. So f of 4 equal to 4 square minus 8 into 4 plus 17. So 4 square is 16 minus 8 into 4 is 32 plus 17. So 16 plus 17 is 33. So 33 minus 32 we get. So the final answer is 1. So therefore, the minimum value of the given function is 1. Option 3 is the right answer. Okay. So next, we will go for question number 32. Question number 32. If P equal to determinant of x1, 1x and Q equal to determinant of x11, 1x1, 11x, then the ask dq by dx is what? Okay. So first we have to expand the given determinant here. First we have to expand the given determinants. That is, P is equal to the given determinant of x1, 1x. Okay. So if we expand this determinant, we get x square minus 1. So P is equal to x square minus 1 we get. Okay. Next. So we find the value of the determinant q is equal to x11, 1x1, 1x. If we expand this determinant, expanding along first row. So if we expand along first row, so x into x square minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus x we get. So here we get x cube minus x plus 1 plus 1 minus x. So x cube, here we get x cube minus x cube minus x into x square is x cube minus 3x, x cube minus 3x plus 2 we get. Differentiate this function with respect to x. Differentiate q with respect to x, we get dq by dx equal to dq by dx equal to 3x square minus 3. If we take 3 as common in dq by dx, dq by dx equal to, if we take 3 as common, x square minus 1 we get. But what is x square minus 1? That is p. So x square minus 1 is equal to p. So that's why we get 3 into p. So dq by dx is equal to 3 into p. The correct answer is option. Okay. So question number 32 is completed. So next we will go for question number 33. Question number 33. The slope of the tangent to the curve x and y they given at point 2 comma minus 1 is the task. So this is not in your syllabus, it is deleted. So we will go for question number 34. The equation of normal to the curve, this is also deleted. Equation of normal is not in your syllabus. So next we will go for question number 35. The maximum value of 1 by x whole power x, the maximum value of 1 by x whole power x, So you have to take f of x equal to f of x equal to 1 by x whole power x. F of x equal to 1 by x whole power x. F dash of x we have to find. So it can be written as x 1 by x power minus 1 whole power x. So or it can be written as 1 by x whole power x can be written as, so 1 power x is 1. So it is 1 by x power x. Again, it can be written as x power minus x. So you have to differentiate x power minus x here. So you have to differentiate x power minus x. So x power minus x by logarithmic differentiation. So apply log on both sides. So f dash of x we have to find. So here we have to apply log on both sides. We have to apply log on both sides. Log f of x equal to log x power minus x. Okay. So 1 by f of x into f dash of x is equal to, so here minus x log x, it can be written as minus x into log x. So by applying product rule, first function, second function. First function into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus second function into derivative of minus x is minus 1. So derivative of minus x is minus 1. Okay. So finally we get f dash of x is equal to f dash of x is equal to x get cancelled. So f of x into minus 1 minus log x we get. So but what is f of x? X power minus x. So we get x power minus x into minus 1 minus log x. For maxima or minima, we have to equate the first derivative to 0. So f of x, f dash of x is equal to 0. So x power minus x into minus 1 minus log x is equal to 0. Okay, here x power minus x is not equal to 0. We get minus 1 minus log x is equal to 0. This is nothing but log x equal to minus 1 or x equal to e power minus 1. Nothing but x equal to 1 by e. X equal to 1 by e. For maximum value, we have to find the maximum value. That's why we have to substitute the value of x in the given function f of x equal to 1 by x whole power x they given, 1 by x whole power x they given. So if you substitute x equal to 1 by e, 1 divided by 1 by e whole power 1 by e. So this is nothing but e power 1 by e we get. So e power 1 by e is the right answer. So correct answer is option 3. Okay. So question number 35 is completed. So next we'll go for question number 36. Question number 36. The rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius at r is equal to 2 centimeter. So here we have to use the formula area of circle, that is pi r square. So what is the formula to find area of circle? A is equal to pi r square. So they ask rate of change of area of circle. So we have to differentiate with respect to r, because the question is the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius. So with respect to its radius means differentiate with respect to r. dA by dr equal to pi into 2r. Derivative of r square with respect to r is pi into 2r. So they given that the value of radius, that is r is equal to 2. We substitute the value of radius dA by dr equal to 2 pi into 2. So we get answer 4 pi. 4 pi for area centimeter square, for radius centimeter. The correct answer is option 4. Unit is centimeter square per centimeter. Okay, 4 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Correct answer is option 4. Next, we'll go for question number 37. Question number 37. Question number 37 is the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing in the interval. Strictly increasing means I have to take f dash of x greater than 0. They given f of x equal to x square, f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 5. F of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 they given. First, we have to find the derivative of the given function f dash of x with respect to x. So, 2x plus 2 we get. For strictly increasing, we have to take f dash of x greater than 0. So, here f dash of x is 2x plus 2 greater than 0, which implies 2x is greater than minus 2. We divide both sides by 2, we get x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1 means, so x belongs to the interval minus 1 comma infinity, strictly increasing. So that's why we have to take f dash of x greater than 0. So we get x greater than minus 1. Then x belongs to the open interval minus 1 comma infinity. So the answer is option 4. So option 4 is the right answer. Next, we'll go for question number 38. The rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area when the radius is 4 centimeter. Here we have to use the two formulas, that is volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square. They given that the value of r is equal to 4 centimeter. So volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So differentiate with respect to P. We get dV by dt equal to, sorry, differentiate with respect to R here. Differentiate with respect to R. Differentiate with respect to R. dV by dr equal to 4 by 3 pi r square derivative, sorry, r cube derivative is 3r square. So here 3 get cancelled. We get dV by dr equal to 4 pi r square. So dV by dr equal to 4 pi r square. Again, we have to take the formula for surface area. Surface area of a sphere formula is 4 pi r square. So here we have to use ds by dr. ds by dr equal to 4 pi into 2r. So we get 8 pi r. ds by dr is equal to 8 pi r. The rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. That's why we have to solve for dV by ds. dV by ds means we have to take dV by dr divided by ds by dr. dV by dr divided by ds by dr. So dV by dr is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. ds by dr is 8 pi r. So here pi get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 twos are r square get cancelled. Finally, we get 1 by 2 r. But they given the value of r is equal to 4 centimeter. So that's why we have to take dV by ds equal to 1 by 2 into 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the answer is 2 for volume centimeter cube for surface area centimeter square. So the answer is 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. First option is the right answer. Okay. So question number 38 is completed. So now next we will go for question number 39. Question number 39. F of x equal to x power x as stationary point. For stationary point, we have to take f dash of x is equal to 0. For stationary point, we have to take f dash of x is equal to 0. They given that f of x equal to x power x. F of x equal to x power x. So apply log on both sides. Log f of x equal to log x power x. So it can be written as log f of x equal to x into log x. So now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get 1 by f of x into f dash of x is equal to first function, second function. X into derivative of log x is 1 by x by product rule plus log x into 1. So here x get cancelled. Finally, we get f dash of x is equal to f of x into 1 plus log x. F of x into 1 plus log x. But what is f of x here? X power x. So x power x into 1 plus log x we get. So this is our f dash of x. For stationary point, we have to equate f dash of x to 0. So f dash of x equal to 0, then we get x power x into 1 plus log x is equal to 0. Okay. So here x power x is not equal to 0. That's why we have to take a 1 plus log x is equal to 0. 1 plus log x is equal to 0, then log x equal to minus 1. So x equal to e power minus 1. So finally we get x equal to 1 by e. So the answer is 1 by e. The correct answer is option 2. That is x is equal to 1 by e. Stationary point at is equal to 1 by e. So next, question number 40. Question number 40. The maximum area of a rectangle inscribed in the circle x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 64. Already I told that the maximum area of a rectangle inscribed in a circle with a radius r units is equal to 2r square. Is equal to 2r square. Okay. So here the value of r square, the value of r square is equal to 64 because is of the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So the value of r square is equal to 64. So substitute the value of r square into r square. We get 2 into 64, which is equal to 128. The correct answer is 128 square units. 128 square units. So option 3 is the right answer. Okay. So question number 40 completed. So next we will go for question number 41. So question number 41. The interval in which the function f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10 is increasing in. So for this, we have to take f dash of x greater than or equal to 0. If they given strictly increasing, we have to take the greater than 0. They given only increasing, we have to take f dash of x greater than or equal to 0. So f dash of x greater than or equal to 0. For that, first we have to consider the function f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10. So differentiate with respect to x, we get f dash of x equal to 3x square minus 6 into 2x, we get 12x plus 9. Derivative of 10 is a constant, it is 0. So next we have to take 3 as common. 3 into x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay. For increasing function, we have to take f dash of x greater than 0. So f dash of x greater than 0 implies 3 into x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than 0. Already 3, we know that 3 is greater than 0. That's why we have to take x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than 0. So it is a quadratic equation. If we multiply, we get 3. If we add, we get minus 4. So that's why we have to take x square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3 is greater than 0. Take x as common in first two terms, x into x minus 3 we get. Take minus 1 as common in last two terms, x into minus 1 into x minus 3 we get is greater than 0. Finally, we get x minus 3. So for increasing function, we have to take f dash of x greater than or equal to 0. So we have to take here greater than or equal to 0. X minus 3 into x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So the function is of the form x minus a into x minus b is greater than or equal to 0. For this, we have to write it is in the form of interval as. So x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma open interval minus infinity comma 1 open interval minus infinity comma 1 union closed interval 3 comma infinity, closed interval 3 comma infinity, because it is of the form x minus a, x minus b greater than or equal to 0, then it can be written as x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma closed interval a union, so closed interval b comma plus infinity. Okay. So here the correct answer is option 3. So option 3 is open interval in minus infinity comma closed interval 1 union with closed interval 3 comma infinity. So that's why the option 3 is the right answer for question number 41. So next we'll go for question number 42. Question number 42. The sides of an equilateral triangle are increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per second, the rate at which its area is increasing when the side is 14 centimeter. So for this, we have to know the formula, that is area of an equilateral triangle. So area of an equilateral triangle formula A equal to root 3 by 4 A square. A equal to root 3 by 4 A square. So here side is A. Okay. So differentiate with respect to t. We get, because they ask the rate at which its area is increasing. Means we have to find the rate of change of area. For this, we have to differentiate the given area with respect to t. We get dA by dt is equal to root 3 by 4. For a square, we get 2a. Again, for a, we get dA by dt. Chain rule. They given that dA by dt, sides rate of change of side. Here side is a. So they given that dA by dt is equal to dA by dt equal to how much? 4 centimeter per second. And also they given that the value of a is equal to 14 centimeter side. Substitute the value of dA by dt and the value of A in rate of change of area with respect to T. We get root 3 by 4 into 2 into the value of A is equal to 14. So the value of dA by dt is 4. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 get cancelled. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 get cancelled. Okay. So 14 twos are 28, 28 root 3 centimeter square per second. 28 root 3 centimeter square per second. So in options, answer is not there, but the correct answer is 28 root 3 centimeter square per second. Okay. Question number 42 is completed. Next, we have to go for question number 43. The value of root of 24.99 is, this concept is deleted in your syllabus. So we will go for question number 44. If the curves 2x equal to y square and 2xy equal to k intersect perpendicularly. So this one is also deleted in your syllabus. We go for question number 45. If the side of a cube is increased by 5%, then the surface area of a cube increased by. So side, if we take side as x, it is increased by 5%. That is, they given dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 5% they given. So dx by dt equal to 5x by 100 because the side is increased by 5%. Okay. So then we have to find the rate of change of surface area. Surface area of a cube formula S is equal to 6x square. This is the formula to find the surface area of a cube. Differentiate with respect to t, we get ds by dt equal to 6 into 2x into dx by dt. Okay. So next, they given dx by dt is equal to 5x by 100. If we substitute here, we get 12x equal to 12x into 5x by 100. Okay. So 12 5s are 60. 60x square by 100 we get. 60x square by 100 can be written as ds by dt equal to 60x by 100 can be written as 5x by 100, 5x by 100 into 5 by 100 into, sorry, 60x by 100 can be written as 10 by 100, 10 by 100 into 6x square. So 10 by 100 into 6x square. Okay, 6 into 10, 60, 60x square by 100. That's why. So here we get the rate of change of surface area is increased by 10%. Rate of change of surface area is increased by 10%. Okay. So next, question number 46. Question number 46. A particle starts from rest and its angular displacement in radians is given by theta is equal to t square by 20 plus t by 5. If the angular velocity at the end of t is equal to 4 is k, then the value of 5k is. Okay. So here they given theta equal to how much? T square by 20 plus t by 5. Theta equal to t square by 20 plus t by 5. Differentiate it with respect to t, d theta by dt equal to t square to t by 20, okay, plus t with respect to t 1 by 5. So 2 ones are 2 tens are, we get, which is equal to t by 10 plus 1 by 5. T by 10 plus 1 by 5. So if the angular velocity at the end is a t, end of t equal to 4 is k. So if we substitute t equal to 4, so we get d theta by dt at t equal to 4 is equal to 4 by 10 plus 1 by 5. So 4 by 10 means here we get 2 2s are 2 5s are. So 2 by 2 plus 1 by 5. We get 3 by 5. So it is equal to when the value of 5k is equal to. Sorry, no? So here we have to take which is equal to k, because they given that if the angular velocity at the end of t equal to 4 is k, that's why we have to take at the t d theta by dt at the t equal to 4 is equal to k. So by this we get p equal to 5k, nothing but 5k equal to 3. They ask the value of 5k, so 5k equal to 3. So correct option is option 4. Okay, option 4 is the right answer. It is 3. So next question number 47. The function f of x equal to x square minus 2x is strictly decreasing in the interval. For decreasing, we have to take f dash of x less than 0. For decreasing function, we have to take f dash of x less than 0. So they given that f of x equal to x square minus 2x, then f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. For decreasing function, f dash of x, strictly decreasing the given. That's why we have to take f dash of x less than 0, 2x minus 2 less than 0, then 2x is less than 2. If we divide both sides by 2, we get x less than 1. So x less than 1, when the x belongs to the interval less than is there, then the x belongs to the interval open interval minus infinity comma 1. So the correct answer is first option, open interval minus infinity comma 1. Okay. So question number 47 is completed. So next we have to go for question number 48. Question number 48. The maximum slope of the curve y equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 27 is. So here we have to find the maximum slope. So that is the given curve is y is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 27. So y is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 27 dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Nothing but m. Okay, slope. So again differentiate with respect to x. We get dm by dx is equal to 6x plus 6. For maximum slope, we have to equate dm by dx to 0. For maximum slope, we have to equate dm by dx to 0. That is 6x plus 6 equal to 0. 6x equal to minus 6. Here we get x equal to minus 1. For maximum slope, we have to substitute the value of x in dy by dx, that is in m. Therefore, maximum slope m equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 2 is there. We put x equal to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 6 into minus 1 plus 2. So 3 into minus 1 whole square is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 6 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 6. We get minus 1 maximum slope. So here 6 into minus 1, the given curve is x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 7 minus x cube. Sorry, here minus x cube is there, minus 3x square we get, minus 6x plus 6. Minus 6x plus 6, 6x equal to, minus 6x equal to minus 6, then x equal to plus 1. We substitute x equal to plus 1 here, we get the maximum slope is equal to, 6 into 3 into 1 square minus 3x square is there here, minus 3x square, minus 3 into 1 square, minus 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 3 we get finally. So 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So the answer is option 3. Okay. So next we will go for question number 49. Question number 49. Last question. The coordinates of the point on the root x plus root y equal to 6 at which the tangent is equally inclined to the axis. So equally inclined to the axis means the x equal to y. We have to take the given curve is root x plus root y equal to 6. If we differentiate it with respect to x, root x plus root y equal to 6. 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx equal to 0. So for here we get dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. So 2 get cancelled. Then we get dy by dx equal to minus root of y by x. So here x equal to y means dy by dx equal to minus 1. Okay. So root x plus root y equal to 6 they given. So root x plus root y equal to 6. So root x plus root y equal to 6. X equal to y we have to take. Then we get root x equal to root y. Because they given that the tangent is equally inclined to the axis, x equal to y means root x plus root x equal to 6 we get. Then root x plus root x equal to 6 means here we get 2 root x equal to 6, then root x equal to 3. So root x equal to 3 means root y is also equal to 3. Then x equal to 9, y equal to 9. Okay, 2 root x equal to 6, then root x equal to 3. So squaring on both sides, we get x equal to 9. So x equal to y means y is also equal to 9. Therefore, the given point is 9, 9. Option 2 is the right answer. Thank you.